Kanya. Pero inuuna ko, pero hindi mo, kahit ito, wala nang bayad-bayad. Gusto ko, lagyan ko to ng aircon dito, may mga monitor ba? May monitor, tapos, alam nyo na, madali lang sa akin itong lecture to kasi kilala ko si Mami Corpus. Bago mo na yan. Okay, children. Agoy. Ano ba yung gusto niyo matutunan, children?
Kahit anong po, sir. Kahit
Ay,
anong...
you children, come here. Let's demonstrate.
Yes.
I will promote you ba? I will make you board member. Erase this one.
Okay.
I will make you board member.
That is a very good example of board member.
Yes,
That is
board
the
member.
very example of board member.
The movement he is doing, let's make in forensic, the movement he's doing,
Yes.
alam niyo mga bata,
Yes.
the whole forearm.
Oh.
Using everything. This so, pastila. So weird. So, for me to continue, I will help you guys.
Teacher, where my...
Ay, mabais na bata to. Pag nilawayan ka ng isang lecturer, makikita na siya. Star.
Oh, that's...
You show it to them, like, they give you star.
Oh, star.
Yes, they give you star. I will help you. In research, I will help you in research. Paradigm. The meaning of that is sample or pattern.
That is why...
That's why it is connected at the theoretical and conceptual
Yes.
level. Because that is our pattern, the framework.
Yes, the example.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. Another. What topic do you want? Material?
Just in your mind.
In your
Photo,
mind.
micro,
Ay,
and macro.
like what you said, you teach Arson.
It's our teacher Arson.
Yes, that's right.
Arson starts with
Letter A.
no.
Letter N.
No.
What?
Arson starts with
Letter N.
oh, it's not working ba? I will Arson this ba? My God. Oh, what's the other one?
Number one ba?
Oh my God. Hey, the other one.
I already teach you a chapter 1. Maybe I teach you in the next year.
It is because of this.
Ryan,
Malicious.
you're making provocation to review next year.
This is because of the malicious intent children.
Yes.
And without that, if there is no this, there is no Arson investigation. Only par investigation.
What is Pearl?
Only par
I
investigation.
thought you were Pearl investigation.
My God, sir.
My God ba? You're so very joker ba? Board member, I will give you another star. Okay,
That is a very good example of...
Yes.
Put a star
mag-aral ka
here.
mabuti. Pero mag-aral ka na mabuti para buhay mo yung bumuti. Yes. Ako po si Aslan Ibista, naniniwala ang mag-aral ka na mabuti para buhay bumuti. At huwag kang maniniwala sa swerte kasi
Malas
yun. Forgot yung star, yung bata ba? Forgot yung star. Okay, you have 2 star. 2 star. Let's
I have
repeat to Leah.
I think you making him amisay ba?
2 star. It is 2 star. What's 2 star? General, Brigadier General, Major General, or Lieutenant General?
Major?
Major?
Yes.
Yo.
Brigadier Ramiwan. Major.
No, you.
Lieutenant.
I thought the major.
Major.
Yo.
Primary classification.
What? Primary classification? Meron ng liya.
Because we have a major classification. That's primary classification.
It's Arson first. Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Sir, I think you're drunk ba?
Kumain kasi ako ng Jokoys.
Joke.
Jokoys! Kamusta ka na?
Sir, maubos yung oras natin.
Sir,
Ay, ganyan naman talaga ako. Ganyan yung pinagkakitaan sila Sir Caleb sa Panbil. Ganyan ako, nakakakuha ko ng maraming pera kahit wala man ang kwenta ng turo ko sa inyo.
Oh,
my goodness.
kaya pala, sir. Umuwi ka na sa Manila, sir.
Please after this relationship, let's talk how fire starts.
From the point of origin.
Fire starts. How fire starts?
Pero pa ignition.
No, it starts because of this.
The triangle.
The fire
Ah,
triangle
yes.
or
That
tetrahedron.
hand.
Tetrahedron.
Yes.
Yes. But the most important element among them, because it starts with
Heat.
heat. You know what's heat?
I don't know what is heat.
Heat.
I took is
The hit song.
my
Oh, like hit song.
You don't like the person, you hit that guy.
Oh, that's
You hate him.
that's the hit.
That's the hit.
The hit song ba?
Yes.
Sir, you think you're
What is the most important of the
The next is this.
Oh, that's fire.
fuel?
Fuel.
Kala ko fire.
Fuel. Lastly is
Oxygen or gas?
oxygen.
Oxidizing. Ay, oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, like the
Here,
hospital
it
set.
is because it is the one most important.
Oh, that is the most important. That was it.
You understand why I don't
Mister,
downgrade up?
sir, I'm so
upgrade?
very confused ba why they teach us why is very important is fuel.
The other teacher lecture, I don't know about them, but maybe they're giving you poisons, children.
My God.
So it is heat. Why it is heat? Because if there's no heat, then
No fire.
will no start
Ignition.
fire. Fire
Yes, because
or
I took your hit song.
ignition.
Try.
There's no ignition or fire.
Oh, yes.
Yes, yes. And this fuel,
Yes.
through this fuel,
Okay.
it is the second most important.
Yes. Because of the motor.
You know, children,
Yes.
because the data is so very hard to find.
Sir,
That's why
sample
the
mo na, sir.
only-
Sample mo na,
That's
sir.
why the only answer they hit, they only gain this bug, but they don't know the first,
Yes.
only the second.
Oh,
Fuel is the second most
sufficient record.
most important
Most sufficient record.
important because it does support the continuous
Unbroken sequence. Oh,
continuous
unbroken chain. Chain of
combustion.
command.
You're making jokes, Mister.
That is related to our combustion.
Combustion.
Ah,
Because
combustion.
there's no jeep anymore. There
Yes,
is
yes, yes.
combustion.
Yes, combustion.
Will you help me, sir?
Sir, you should be answer ko.
Sir, you're
Yes, sample, Mr. Yes, sir.
Sample nga ako eh.
Sample nga yan si Sir Ray. Kasi yan yung papagana sa
Yes.
lahat ng klase niya. Sorry, sir.
My God.
Kilala ko si Fanville Review Center. Alam na alam ko kung paano magbenta ng ng candy si Ate Joy.
Oh my God.
Alam ko kung paano mag-attendant si Ma'am Messi.
Ay. Sir,
Kasi ako si Asta na Vista. At naniniwalang sa kasabihan na ang buhay ay weather lang. Here, it is in oxygen. It is the most common.
The most common.
Because
Is it found anywhere?
it can be found. You're right. Who said that? You, come here, bata. Come here, children.
My God.
Minsan, sir.
Para ka ng mabuti absent. Ang galing-galing mo. Ibigyan kita ng star. Kapag nagduraan ka ng isang lecturer, magiging top notcher ka.
Kita ko muna yung star ko, sir.
Yes. This is most common. Is that board member? Let's talk about inoxygen.
Okay.
Yung another star.
Mabait kang bata ka. I will promote you to Major General.
Yes.
Yes, let's
Sir,
promote
I
you.
prepare you sir to put star.
No. It is in here because we now play. Arson nga, di ba? Play mo pre ka, boy.
Ay, okay sir. Yo, 2 stars. You're a video
Mayroon ka
na.
ng 2 star.
Kita mo muna, sir. Baka hindi legit ba?
Yes, 2 star. 2 star na lang ang kulang. Makukompleto na natin. Ang siyam na Dragon Ball.
Saan yung isang Dragon Ball, sir?
Well,
Umuwi.
umuwi niya yung Dragon Ball. Umuwi siya. Umuwi si Son Goku.
Si San.
Si Sancho. Ang anak, ang kapatid ni Sancho. Anak ni Sanchez. Let's talk about oxygen. Remember oxygen? Remember oxygen? Oxygen. Do you still know the percent? Oxygen is the thing that part triangle, right?
Yes.
But its composition, if there is no oxygen, there are other gases, right?
Yes.
Among them, make it air. It's air.
Air.
Oh.
Air.
Air.
Air. It's not oxygen really, but some boat says it's oxygen. But it's
Sir,
air.
making joke ni Sir Ron.
Air.
Air.
You know what's air?
Yes, here, sir.
Yes, dito ba?
Yes, that's air.
Air. Pag dalawa na sila, airs.
Two airs.
I
don't care.
Air or oxygen. Some books say air is equals to oxygen, right? Which we breathe oxygen, we produce carbon.
Yes,
Dioxide.
carbon to
But in air, we have this percentage of air. You know how many percent of, the composition of air?
No.
The composition of air is pinakamarami ang nitrogen.
Oh, H2.
Nitrogen. Next to that is the oxygen.
Oh.
Oxygen.
And the other term.
And the last maybe 1% only or 3%. It is the
Other gas?
other gases.
Yes. Other gases.
Magaling kang bata ka na, nasusubaybayan mo ako. Balik ka nga dito, bigyan kita ng isa pang star.
Sir na sir, yung promoting is...
Yes, I will
Bigyan mo
promote.
naman ako ng t-shirt siya.
Yes, I will promote you this t-shirt. I will give you t-shirt ba?
No,
This is what we
this is
call
last pay. This is my
the
wife.
Indicom t-shirt. This is the Indicom t-shirt. Halika dito, halika dito bata. Halika dito bata, maturuan kita bata. Tatlo na star mo, mag-aral ka na mabuti para ang titi lumaki. Bibigyan kita ng t-shirt. Promote mo lang to, sabi mo, Hasta La Vista, bibigyan kita ng Alta Vista Clothing. Ang manok na may panabong, ang manok na may laban.
Alaksarin mo.
This t-shirt. Yes, this t-shirt. Pas-pas mo banat sa upat na barika. Next. You want more?
Yes, sir.
Present more. Let's proceed to other.
Just
Board member, come here. I will make you board member so that I will give you star ba?
I will make you buy unit, sir.
I will make you board member.
May gan, sir, eh.
You just do the what me whip, what doing this blackboard. Yes, come here.
You have a 3 stars, sir.
You're making me...
Because of reproductivity, I will promote you through lateral entry, not just 1 star, but 2 star.
Mr. Thank you. Wonderful question, Mr. Okay.
So, let's start now. In municipal, because we have this marshals, right?
Yes.
We have these officers,
Yes.
right? So in municipal, city, province, region. Here, Chief BFP,
Yes.
ang tawag
Yes.
sa kanila mga bata. BFB. Anong BFB? Batang Family Magbakol. Board member! Kaya this board member? Just the B.
Yeah.
It's not BFB. Bureau of Fire and
Tetrahydrate.
Bio.
The fire marshal.
But this here children, we call them marshals.
Oh.
Marshal.
What's the rank of the Christian? Ay, sir.
Darat, sa bodisa, hindi na lumalabas yung rango. Lumalabas yung proseso, mga kaibigan. Kasi kilala ko, si Atty. Ramil Gabaw, Ma'am Balmones, Warren Corpus, kilala ko sila. Hindi ako katulad ng original na Hasta La Vista, yung sinasabi nyo, mga rango ilumabas lang. crab mentality. Blue, Marusaya. Yun lang yung tama mo. Deeper ka, boy.
Yo, yo, yo!
Boy, oy, boy, oy.
Ah, your own ba no sign ba?
Yes. Board member,
Kami.
come here.
Yung sumakubuking ni sir ba?
It's okay. It's okay. Next, let's go back to the fire.
Just spin.
Then let's
Because
go
the,
back to
the
fire.
baso is too much stinging ba?
Go back to the fire. This is the last one. Last one. I will tell you what's the difference between this. The process of fighting the fire deterrent. Put that there.
Oh, no, you can...
Fire deterrent drone, yes.
Follow the
Fire
juice.
deterrent drone.
Tetrahydro,
In
no?
fighting heat,
Yeah, we discussed
Do-
earlier.
cooling.
Yes.
Yes.
Do cooling. In fighting the fuel, do separation. Separation. In fighting oxygen, what do we do?
Smoldering.
Yes,
Smoldering.
smothering.
Or odorless.
You should be advanced ba? You making pork chop ba?
Smothering. It's not smoldering, ha? Because smoldering is negative. Smothering is positive. In fighting the chemical reaction, we do what? Starts with letter I.
I don't know.
Yes, you do too. That's why I'm telling you, I'm
Yes,
mentioning
yes,
here
yes.
ba?
Thank you, sir.
That's what we call, we are in here. So we are in division.
Mister, you making one ba?
Why you so very quantum? I just eating here while listening to the lecturer.
This is what up.
That is not prohibited
Next,
in the classroom.
let's start the juice muna. Board member.
Pasok.
Sir, you eat the putang...
Yes, it's not the pulutan, it's his meal. Hindi meal. I will put your bill. You are.
You have
only
a
here,
star.
star.
Yes, I will give you 1,000 star.
You making me amisay ba?
No, it's not Amisay, it's star ba? Star lang. Oh, you are the 3-star na nagsisimbolo ng bayang Pilipinas. Luzon, Visayas, at Junel.
Mister, you making of the jokes ba? You acting like Billboard. That is me one time lang eh.
Milit, kaya naman, let me spin the pin, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
What is that? That is that.
it's not the pin part again, guys.
We did not eat one. I didn't want to lecture. We didn't have one ba?
You drink. Oops. Assignment. You drink. Assignment.